Okay, so this isn't exact, but I think it's what you need to do, and it'll get you there. So what we're doing is a lot of double stops. It goes along with the changes. So our shapes are going to be in the B. So we're using the top three strings a lot. And we're going to come up to here, which is the third of B. But it's also going to give us going into that F sharp to walk down. So our shapes are going to be and then this one is the B, so it's just the very top two notes of the B here. And then this is just this string and then open. That's part the F sharp chord. Back up to B. So there's the walk up that goes on the 1 to it picks up to the 1. So you do. And then here we do this. Then it slides up to the F sharp. Slides back open to an open B. You can also play it like this. But on the recording there's a bit of a slide, and that lets us get to the next position. So we go. So that gives us back to this, what is your D shape, but it's your E chord, right? Then that next note, we can just play it back to B. Start over again on B. Then we do that same. This time though, we walk up to this this is the E. Another E shape back up here. There's a quick little walk up, again based on E. Then we'll come up to the F sharp, which is that it's 2 strings apart. So this would be like if you're playing a C shape to make an F sharp chord. We're only playing this note and that note. Back to B, where we're also only playing the D string and the B string. So get your fingers around those shapes. Let me know if you need more detail.